Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to tell if someone blocked you on Reddit. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the Reddit application. And once you've opened, you will be seeing your feed. And if someone blocked you on Reddit, or you've blocked someone here on Reddit, you won't be able to access their profile and you won't see their post, may it be in your feed or in a group's feed. Let me show you an example. Let's go ahead and go to this group. Look for a random person. Say this guy. Sorry, whoever you are. Okay. To block someone, all you have to do is to tap on the three dotted icon on top of their profile. And as you can see, we'll be able to block them using the block account setting. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, it will be asked if you'd like to block that person. All you have to do is to tap on block account. As you can see, this person or this author has been blocked. And once we go back again, give it a little refresh, go back to the group. As you can see, his post is not being shown. The same goes for blocking or being blocked by that person. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.